In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook page. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on a computer or in a browser. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. This is the main feed where you normally see posts from friends, groups, and pages you follow. We're going to start from here. On the left-hand side of the homepage, you'll see a vertical menu with different shortcuts, like your profile, groups, and maybe marketplace. Look for the option that says See More. If you don't see pages listed right away, that's okay. That's what See More is for. Go ahead and click See More to expand that menu and reveal additional options. Once the menu is expanded, scroll through the list until you find Pages. This is where Facebook keeps all the tools related to pages you manage or can create. Click on Pages. This will take you to a dedicated section that shows any pages you already have, as well as options to create a new one. On the Pages screen, look for a button that says Create Page. It's usually near the top or on the left side. Click on Create Page to open the page creation form. This is where you'll set up the basic details for your new Facebook page. You'll see a field for your page name. Click into that first field and type the name you want for your page. This could be your business name, your brand, a community project, or whatever you're creating the page for. Try to keep it clear and easy to recognize, so people know it's you when they search. And next, you'll see a field for category. Click into the category field and start typing a word that describes what your page is about, like restaurant, clothing store, blogger, or community organization. Facebook will suggest categories. Choose the one that best matches your page. The right category helps people find you and tells Facebook how to present your page. Below that, there's a bio field. Click into the bio area and add a short description about your page. This should explain who you are, what you offer, or what people can expect from following your page. Keep it simple, but informative and welcoming. Once you've filled in your page name, selected a category, and added your bio, look for the Create Page button on the screen. When you're happy with what you've entered, click Create Page. Facebook will process your information and set up your new page. And that's it. You've just created a Facebook page and you're ready to start customizing it and sharing it with your audience.